2. So the weight here is 10 kilograms, and divided this by 2, this would give us 5 kilograms of force to lift a 10 kilogram weight. So the answer here is 5 kilograms. If a wedge is made longer relative to its height, how does the force increase? The amount of lift is increased as the wedge is moved vertically. The amount of lift is increased as the wedge is moved horizontally. The amount of lift is decreased as the wedge is moved horizontally. The amount of lift is decreased as the wedge is moved vertically. The answer here is the amount of lift is decreased as the wedge is moved horizontally. So a wedge converts horizontal force into vertical lift. Its effectiveness is influenced by its length and height. When the wedge is made longer relative to its height, meaning less steep, the slope decreases. So this means that for the same horizontal distance moved, the vertical lift decreases. Since the vertical lift is reduced, you need to apply a greater input force to achieve the same lifting effect. Therefore, the amount of lift is decreased as the wedge is moved horizontally. A 6 kilogram bowling ball rolled at 2 meters per second expends how much work? So work equals kinetic energy, and this is just equal to 1/2 mass times the square of the velocity. So we're given here the mass, which is 6 kilograms. We just plug that into the equation, times the velocity, which is 2. Let me write that down here. So work is equal to 1/2 mass 6 kilograms times the velocity, which is 2 meters per second squared. So this is just 1/2 times 6 kilograms times 4 meters squared per second squared. So multiplying everything, this would give us 12 kilogram meter squared per second squared, or joules. So 12 joules. Therefore the answer here is this one.